Alright, it is Saturday and I got stuck on call since I didn't do any on call for the last month because I've been not at work. So the call came in last night. It was overtime. Taco Bell. You've seen this Taco Bell in previous videos. And the last video I had, all the doors were open, filters half put in, so on. That was right before I had. That was right before I had to go. Well, I had time off. That was right before I had time off. So, we're going out there today for no AC. The call came in last night, but it was pouring. There was no way I was getting on the roof last night. So it is Saturday, and we are going out there right now, and we'll see what's going on. It's probably a train wreck. That's what I'm thinking. And I'll take you along for the ride here. Okay. Went in there, thermostat's calling. 79 degrees in the kitchen. I got a feeling. I'm gonna get up there. At least they left the ladder here. Walk in that place, it's like a, oh, there's grease on the floor. It's nasty. I don't know how they do it. I got a feeling, you know, this is a newer unit. It's probably been up here like 3 years. Something sounds loud. What sounds loud? Unit's been up here 3 years. That's the fan we just worked on. And my phone's ringing. Okay, I thought it was the belt, but apparently you see the belt's on there and the fan's running. Oh, that's nice. That coil up there is just plugged. Since they don't run any filters and they like to change their own filters. Okay, so I know that is not the issue. Bummer. Bummer. Oh. Huh. Let's see. This isn't all fancy electronic controlled. Well, it is, but it isn't. I should have put you on a head mount. Let's see if I'm getting voltage. For the cooling, this one has a regular thermostat instead of one of those funky Trane thermostats. Let's see. Common, there's Y1, and I have voltage on Y1. I have no voltage on Y2, which downstairs it says it's calling for, and I got some line that just fell off. I don't know what this line's for. This line right here. Where does that go? I don't know what that is. Oh, it just came off totally. Should have nothing to do with what I'm working on. I got an LED tube blinking, and I don't think this thing is going to give me LED codes. Green LED, holy crap, I'm colorblind. Zone sensor. Well, let's cycle the power. Hold on, let me look. Let me see if I can find out what this LED tube blinking and on the RM board is. Well, we'll see what happens. I've reset the power. I didn't notice this thing had a phase monitor too. It's got a phase monitor up here. And I didn't pay attention. I really can't see, it's up too high. If anything happened there, like say it had a power blip, and just the phase monitor kept it off. Not sure. Let's just let this thing reset. We'll give it 5 minutes here. See what happens. Alright, so it did restart. I think we just had a power problem, but another thing I'm not getting is I'm not getting power to my second stage off the thermostat, even though the thermostat says filters. Even though the thermostat says it's calling for second stage. Man, that thing sounds loud. Up here, I shut all these doors. I don't know, maybe kids are getting up here. I have no freaking clue. Go downstairs and look and see if that wire's hooked up. See, we put this up here like 3 years ago, but I think we did that one too within the last 2 years. And what the owner does is he's got a national Trane account, so he just buys the equipment and pays us to put it up. He does that at his other building too, like tankless water heaters and so on. Let me go downstairs really quick. hooked up. Hold it 62, you guys crazy? Well, sometimes on a Saturday, you just gotta get them up and running and deal with it during the week. So that's what I did. It did have the wire hooked up for the second stage downstairs, but I wasn't getting any voltage on it. So I don't know if it's a thermostat doing it, or I got a break in a wire somewhere. So we'll have to go back and check that out a little further. But the top of that evaporator coil is plugged too. So yeah, I'm gonna be going back there probably, I don't know, maybe doing some maintenance, not sure. Because like I said, this guy that owns this Taco Bell, he does stuff himself, or has his employees do it. So I'm not sure what happened, because all I did was reset it, waited, and the thing turned on. So, but that second stage, I was downstairs. You could see, well, originally you could see that I was calling for second stage, but I didn't have any voltage up top, so that kind of concerns me too. We'll see what happens. So, you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo for my, and the Amazon wish list for my son going through cancer. If you could, please. It helps the family out, helps him out. And but other than that, you know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.